What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. And if you've been subscribed to the channel, you know that I love compact flagship smartphones, something like the iPhone 13 that represent a compact flagship iPhone. But let's start things off with design with the Galaxy S24, 4 or 5 months later. How has it held up? First of all, this build, it's held up really good. I love this display, 6.2 inch 120 hertz panel. Yes, 6.2 inches, it's a large display, but it's easily one handable device because it's so slim. It has these slim bezels and symmetrical. It really is easy to carry. Like, you get a lot of screen real estate in a compact form factor. And in the past 4 months, since I have used a case also to protect this, and this one is my favorite case so far. It's from Banks. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. But it's, here, I'll just put it on and show you guys. And this video is not sponsored or anything by Banks, but early on they did send this case out for review, but this current video obviously not for, it's not sponsored, but it has MagSafe. So I have a MagSafe wallet and this gets the job done. Or if you have any other MagSafe accessories, you have a MagSafe portable charger, whatever it may be, a power bank. This device is great for that, or this case and the device obviously, but it also does protect it in every single side. And that's why my S24 has held up really well, because I've been really protective with the phone itself. Scratches, I don't really notice too many scratches as of right now, and I'm gonna bring over a screen cleaning cloth, and I don't really notice any, I have like some micro scratches, but for the most part, I don't really have too many scratches because, like I said, I've been really careful with using this device. But in the hand, it's gonna feel really good. And some people call this the iPhone of Android. And I see what you mean, but when you start using it, you still know that this is a Samsung. And they've done a real good job. They've cleaned up everything about it, from this minimal design, from the individual camera cutouts to a more flattened design, which I personally do appreciate, to its software and its performance, which is going to be the next part that I want to talk about. And in the past 4 months, it's also been buttery smooth with the 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Day-to-day use has been awesome. I've had no stutters, no bugs, no issues whatsoever. It's currently running One UI 6.1, and other devices are also getting that as well. But Samsung has been on top of their software game. This is going to get 7 years of software updates, which is phenomenal. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the latest and greatest chipset on the market, still performs like a champ. Again, no stutters, no issues whatsoever, buttery smooth. And even if you pick this up in 1 year, it's going to perform like a champ. I believe that chipsets have become so powerful that year over year, like 8 Gen 2 to 8 Gen 3, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to 8 Gen 3, it's not like a wow, I need the next and latest and greatest chipset. It's not that type of thing anymore. And that also applies to just phones in general. You still won't have any issues, probably even like 4 or 5 years down the line, you're not gonna have any issues whatsoever. But again, Android 14, One UI 6.1 is phenomenal. There are a bunch of AI features. I'll be honest, like the ones that Samsung has kind of marketed, I don't use them. I really don't use them with the Galaxy S24. I just do everything, on my own. I take care of everything on my own. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because that's something that a lot of people do care about. And here's the thing, Samsung cameras have always performed well. S24 is no different. Now, you're not gonna get the ultra types of things. You're not gonna get 100x zoom, which I personally love. But the setup here with the vanilla S24 is phenomenal for just taking daily photos and videos. And if you do pick this up and you're looking to make content, whether it be on YouTube here, long form video, or short form on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, TikTok, whatever it may be, this is a great device. I think phone cameras especially have gotten so good in the past like 5-6 years that there is no excuse to not start making content. I started my channel with an LG G3 back in 2014, and to this day, yes, I have a camera right here, the Sony A7 Mark III, and I use this, but I'm currently recording this video on a smartphone. So it goes to show that smartphone photos and videos have gotten very well, and Samsung, make no mistake, is one of those devices that makes good photos and videos, that comes out with good results. So yeah, if you're out in the market, you're gonna use this for cameras, for photos and videos. Again, you're gonna have no issues, and you probably saw it on screen. I really like them myself. Let's talk about the battery and charging. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 25 watt fast charging. It does have wireless charging as well. Not the fastest charging in the past 4 months. It's like, I've gotten used to it, whatever, but the 4,000 milliamp hour battery, if you're coming from a larger device, like a Flagship, like the Ultra, or Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, or OnePlus 12, whatever it may be, yeah, you're gonna miss that better battery life. But you know, for a heavy user like me, it's like I gotta charge it through like mid-afternoon, like 5-ish, because I'm gonna still end up using it. But you know, if you're a light user, you just don't use it as often, this is perfectly fine. A 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I've been getting about like 4 to 5 hours of screen on time if I really do push it, and it doesn't last me the entire day, but that's okay. If you're a light user, you don't need to worry about the battery. Just charge it up at night too, and you're all set to go in the morning. Now the price, $799 was a starting price, but I've seen this go down throughout the past 4 months, and it's gonna continue to go down and go on sale. Let's put it that way. It's gonna continue to keep going on sale consistently. So don't pick it up for $799. You're gonna find it for like $699, $649. $100, $150, maybe even $200 off the Galaxy S24. And I'll be leaving links in the description down below if you want to check them out and support the channel. So don't pick it up at its initial starting price at $799. You can definitely find it for cheaper. But if you did pick it up at $799, you're still getting a great buy. Now it's obviously price competitive against its main rival, which is the iPhone. And this, as of right now, the iPhone 15. And then when the 16 comes out, it's going to compete against that until this is replaced by the S25, by that matter. But nonetheless, to wrap things up, I still think this is the best smartphone, or best compact smartphone. Let's not say best smartphone, best compact smartphone to come out in 2024. It's triumphed the Asus Zenfone 10 from last year. That's last year's device, 2023. They didn't come out with a Zenfone 11. They came out with an 11 Ultra. So there goes that. But anyway, I still hope they bring in Zenfone 11, like a compact version. But until then, this, I believe, is the best compact smartphone to come out in 2024. And also to answer, should you wait for the Galaxy S25? Because there's rumors about the S25 circulating and it's going to come out in like January, February, whatever it is. And no, there's no reason to wait and pick up the Galaxy S25, because if you're thinking like that, you might as well just wait for the S26, then wait for the S27, S28. I think we're at a point in time where we don't need to wait for the successor to come out for our phone. And I'll be honest with you, some may agree, some may not, but if the S24, or if smartphone cycles were every 2 years rather than every year, I would be perfectly content with the Galaxy S24 for 2 years until its successor came out. Now, obviously, it's going to come out every single year. S25 goes with the year 2025, but there's no reason not to pick this up. No reason to wait. I'll put it that way. There's no reason to wait for its successor. Samsung did a phenomenal job with the S24 series, the entire lineup, and I think each device in that lineup, the 24, the 24 Plus, and 24 Ultra, caters to a different type of audience, which in the end, I think just completes their entire demographic, or the type of audiences, plural, that they're marketing this phone or the series towards. And S24 is, you want to get 85% of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a compact form factor. This is it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to smash that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot. And if you want to check out my wallpaper packs, I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. This one is called Urban Glow. I absolutely love it. I think you will too. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.